We partnered up with Lay's.
We partnered up with Lay's.
For what?
Potato chip crusted holiday brownies.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Step 1, blend the Lay's.
You mix the cocoa and the flour, then you mix it. In a separate bowl, add sugar and melted butter and mix until blended. Hey Pops, the yolk's shiny like your head. Speaking of eggs, next up you add your eggs and your vanilla extract to the mixture and whisk.
Now we're gonna mix our eggs mixture into our flour.
No. Add the baking powder and the salt.
Right.
Are you serious, girl? Now mix.
It's coming together, baby.
Not now.
Mom.
Mixture goes in the tray, baby.
We preheated the oven to 350, now it's time to bake for 15 minutes. Time to dip them in our chocolate chips. Let's get it, baby.
The Lay's. Now, add the holiday spirit, baby. This was so fun to make. Make sure you try it at home. Now, final taste test.
Oh my god. That's heaven.